Hello world. This is so cool. These are over the school year, we lose a lot of Rubik's cubes. We don't actually lose them. I should say they fall apart. These are cheap cubes. These are not Rubik's brand. These are cheap cubes that we just use for mosaics. So I have hundreds, maybe thousands of these, and we use them for mosaics. Like this could be maybe a mosaic of a bear later on. This is a template, and this is a blank one there. This is a full one. This is 10 by 10, so 100 Rubik's cubes. But back to this, over the years, this happens, and students are, I have the best students in the world. Every student knows that we don't throw these. We just put them in a hospital, like emergency room. Well, not emergency room, but a place where we just save these, and then whenever we have free time, we could build it back together. It's not the end of the world. Cubes are made to be messed around with and built and undone. So this happens. So this is like the Rubik's Cube, not the graveyard, but the Rubik's Cube Rehabilitation Center. And we build these when we have some free time. I do it sometimes after hours, but this is a cool thing. I just thought it looked pretty. Look at that. It makes its own kind of a random mosaic. And again, cheap, fun cubes. I have the best students in the world. This is a great thing. Always keep calm, believe in yourself, and always build mosaics and solve Rubik's Cube.